Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new academic year. So this is the first video in our new year setup video series. So I have a few basic instructions that whenever you're doing the new year setup, make sure you're doing it very carefully and you're selecting the correct academic years. So let's begin with how to create a new academic year. So first go to settings. In settings, go to general settings. Now in general settings, I'll let it load. Again go to general settings and manage academic year. Now if you already have a pre-admission year created for the next year, for let's say in this case the example is 2021-22, if you already have the academic year created for pre-admission, you do not need to do this. You can directly go to the second part of the video, or you can create a pre-admission year for the next year as well. Next year, sorry. So let's say I do not have created one. I can see I have to create 21-22. So I'll create 2021-22. Now start date and end date. Every school start date and end date can vary. Some start in April, some start in June. So you can choose the start date and end date according to when your academic year starts. Okay. Pre-admission, as this is going to be for the next year, so it's pre-admission. Now the tick mark is whether I want to transfer the module settings to next year. If the tick mark is there by default, if you do not want, you can remove it, and I'll click on add. Okay, so I'll again go to manage academic year. Now I can see a new academic year created over here, 21-22. A year is pre-admission. Like I said before, if you already have a pre-admission year, you do not need to do this. And if you already have existing pre-admission year, and if you do not, then you need to create a new academic year over here. And that's all about how to create a new academic year. Thank you.